We all know that life is full of uncertainties. Nonetheless, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't have dreams you intend to achieve. Your goals drive you toward your destination in life and give you a sense of purpose. One of the tools you need to reach that lofty height you desire is visualization. As you would have noticed, visualization is simple. However, it is tremendously effective in driving you to your dreams. Stop listening to people with a negative and pessimistic view of life. Indeed, it's good to be cautious and be modest in your expectations. Nonetheless, there are many great examples of people who have achieved their dreams. Read more about such people, especially in your field. It resonates and is inspirational when you read about individuals who have defied the odds to achieve a goal that is similar to yours. It gives you confidence that you can also do the same when you are ready to pay the price. Remember that dreams and visualization aren't enough to drive you to your paradise. You need to be determined and ready to put in the required hard work. However, visualization and industry aren't mutually exclusive. They are either side of a coin, and you need both. You are unstoppable. Chase your dreams and become the best version of yourself.